Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and tech video on the latest release from Hytera, the HP602. Hytera's new HP602 comes with everything in the box to get you started. When you open the box, you'll first notice the radio itself. Small and light in style, only weighing 265 grams, the HP602 has a 0.9-inch OLED display, as well as AI-based noise cancellation speakers to minimize background noise. On the right side you have the connector for external accessories protected by a cover. On the back it shows how the battery clips in, and on the left side you've got your volume down, your volume up, your push to talk, as well as your on and off switch. At the bottom of the radio you've got two grooves that show how the radio clips into chargers, and at the top you've got your antenna screw-in connection, your lanyard tying clip, as well as your channel switch. And at the top of the radio you'll see a little LED light that indicates whether it's on or off. Other accessories inside the box include the standard belt clip, which clips into the battery itself, the stubby antenna, which offers VHF, UHF1, UHF2, as well as CB frequencies, the lanyard, the charging cradle with the power supply port at the back. It also shows the grooves that allow the radio to clip in, the power supply, and the Australian power plug, which clips into the top of the power supply. You also receive the battery, which has an operating time of approximately 20 hours in digital mode. And finally, the HP602 is Ip67 rated, which offers the best protection against dust and sand. It also can be submerged into 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. There are also Bluetooth and GPS variations of this model available, and if you'd like a free trial, please let us know. Thank you for watching.